Look at that view. It's incredible.
I know. The colors are amazing today.
We should fly higher to see the mountains.
This tree is our safest home.
Yes, our children are growing up very happily here.
Mom, we'll learn to fly.
You will learn slowly. First, strengthen your wings.
Friend Tia, I feel very good today.
It looks like a big storm is coming.
Mom, we are very scared. This storm looks very scary.
Friend, this tree won't last long.
What should we do?
There was a large stone cave near the mountain ahead.
Okay, Crow, show us the way. Mom, I can't. Have courage. We are all in this together. We are alive.
Thank you, Friend Crow. And if it weren't for you, we would be in danger.
Standing by a friend in trouble is true friendship.
I hope the storm stops soon.
When the morning comes, we will return to our own home in the tree.
The storm has stopped. Now we can go out.
They were surprised to see the forest. Many trees had fallen, and water had accumulated in the low-lying lands. The forest seems to have completely changed. Let's go to our blacktop tree and see if the languages are okay. Then they climbed up to the black-capped tree where their nest was. The tree was still standing, but many branches had broken.
Our home is gone.
Don't be sad. We will build a new home again.
Who will you tell?
I will help you build a house. But the food has also decreased greatly, and most of the fruits around have been ruined by the water.
What will we eat? Where will we get food?
Let's all go in search of food.
There is plenty of food here. Yes, we will all be able to eat our fill today.
Eat first, then I will take some fruit with me.
We have never eaten such sweet fruit.
Friend Crow, you have really done us a great favor. It is my duty to do so much for my friend. Red parrot, you say, now we have to build a nest.